3-ingredient whoopie pies. I just had to try this. Now, I'm using the Walmart spice cake mix because the Betty Crocker only has 13 ounces and I think it's messing up my recipes. And this has 15 ounces. So Betty Crocker, get it together. All right, got my pumpkin spice mix. Ooh, this smells spicier than the other one too. Very interesting. I wonder if there's more spices or not. I don't know. All right. Now you can use a mixer if you want. I just don't like dirtying more dishes than I need to, so I don't. Now, if you want more cake mix cookie recipes, right here are Dining on a Dime Volume 1 or Volume 2. You can see I have all kinds of variations here, and of all of them that I have, pumpkin's not one of them. So, but I seriously doubt that you can mess up this recipe. I mean, it's 2 ingredients. How hard can it be? This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. I'm going to take my trusty scoop and scoop out my cookies. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to, but you can take a rag or a dish towel or whatever, with just a little bit of flour, and I'm just going to flatten them just a bit, just so they'll be more whoopie pie shaped. Okay, I'm gonna bake these, then we'll fill them. All right, I let them sit for about 2 to 3 minutes on the cookie sheet to finish cooking. Oh my goodness, these smell so delicious. We're gonna let them cool and we're gonna fill them. All right, my cookies are cooked and cooled. So now I'm gonna take one cookie. Now this is leftover cream cheese frosting. You can just use the regular cream cheese frosting if you want, but I had some leftover from another video. So I'm going to put it in here. And I might need more. And put one on there. Oh, that looks so delicious. Oh, yum. Okay, these are pumpkin whoopie pies.
Wow, they are so much thicker than the ones you buy at the store.
We don't have proper whoopie pies here in Wyoming. Okay, now, amazing. I did something different though, so tell me what you think.
Okay.
He's thinking.
Tastes amazing.
Do you like it?
Yeah. The texture's a little different. Is that what it's about?
Well, no, the texture's because the oven got turned off, so I had to baked it
really
wrong.
Good. It's amazing.
But
good.
Do you like this spice mix or the other cake? So this is a different spice cake mix.
When did I try the other cake? It's delicious. I like this one.
Does it taste any different than the other pumpkin bread you had the other day?
I don't know. I can't.
Okay.
I can't
Jack and I
remember that
didn't
far
like
back.
this as well.
You didn't like this as well? I liked it enough here. See?
Okay. All right, so Mike gives it a thumbs up. I don't know, I guess test the cake mixes and see what you guys think. Okay, I have to interject here because here is the 2-ingredient pumpkin bread, and this is Betty Crocker, and this is Walmart, and what did we all determine?
We like the Walmart one better.
Actually, we like it a lot better.
But Betty Crocker downsized to 13 ounces. Come on, people. That box looks like a little, it looks like a cream of wheat box now. Like, what's up with that?
So, Walmart cake mix is much better than the Betty Crocker, I think.
So now that I've told them that, because obviously they're going to hear from me,
Of course.
now they'll make a 15-ounce box and put 13 ounces of cake in it.
Yeah. Oh no, I just ruined the whole recipe. Seriously?
How did you ruin it?
Oh, never mind. Okay, quiet.